friends, welcome back to my channel once again. It's 3:21 p.m. in the midnight once again, and honestly, now I'm feeling really sleepy, and my friends and I just wish to take a moment, out of my time to make this mark for you, my friends and my fellow BMSCEs, show you in fact as to how this so-called bogey and this so-called coach in fact looks like. My friends and I am all tired. It's like the strainers, as I've already told you, there's in fact recording in that so-called railway terminus of Guntakal. The Guntakal railway terminus, and this Guntakal railway terminus number the step between us in fact the whole thing, and which happens to form in the district of Anantapur, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. And now it's the third time while the board has got the horn. It's like this is not starting. I asked you what's the reason behind that. My friends over there, there's probably seems to be the third ever radio work access signal, which is blown by the operator. Alright, my friends, I just want to show you how bogey, behind me, in fact, looks like. Obviously, my friends, that seems to be serious. Obviously, label it as a document. So, if I let's go inside and let's see, as to how this movie, in fact, happens to go by, how that, in fact, looks like, let's in fact go and see. Alright, my friends, this train, brings back a lot of memories, from the times, while we, BMSCEs, many years ago, back in the times of March 2019, in fact, organized an expedition from the Sharing Achievements and Rejuvenating Society organization, SARSO, and their so-called trip to the state of Rajasthan, which was simply one of the most ever beautiful adventures which we had. So, alright, this I'll share about it, in my next update. I'll literally, tell you, what all, in fact happened, during that time, like Live Each Day YouTube channel. Alright, my friends, so, in fact, we had in fact never gone to that so-called place. We had in fact never gone to this megalopolis, Jaipur, back in those times, And it was in fact a trip, which was organized by the SARSO Society, which was in fact a network marketing organization, which we used to work for. Majority of our BMSCEs, we used to work for it. Alright, my friends, you can see that I'm simply, sleeping here. Before I fall off, let's go for sleeping. Alright, see you, and I'll, by the way, share that story with you. As what really took place, while we had in fact gone, from Agglomeration Bangalore to Agglomeration Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan, all in a train journey. We had in fact gone back in March 2019. We've gone for almost 3 weeks, more than 12 days, and my friends, the so-called train, brings back those memories, because that time also, we had gone, from the Kranti near Samboli, Megalopolis railway terminus, Kranti near Samboli, Ravana, Bangalore, or the PSR Agglomeration Bangalore railway terminus, Kranti near Samboli, Ravana, Agglomeration Bangalore railway terminus. Alright, my friends, now let's go. Bye-bye, Guntakal. See you later, my friends. It was really amazing, to share all these stories with you. Maybe I'll do some of that, even tomorrow. Because we got a reach Agglomeration Mumbai, at 8 o'clock Indian Standard Time, 8:30 o'clock Indian Standard Time tomorrow, September 26th. Now, obviously, today also, technically it's September 26th, so let us go.